In this video, I'll show you how to change the windshield wipers on your Tesla. When these wipers eventually get old and don't wipe well anymore, you should definitely get new ones. I'll show you what you need to set in service mode so that the wipers extend, allowing you to change them, and which windshield wipers I've chosen and why I think they are the best. Let's get started. Welcome to Smart to Drive. It's great to have you with us. On my Tesla Model Y, after about 2 years, the windshield wipers are no longer really good. Many people experience even more wear and tear if they drive the vehicle a lot, in which case you should change the wipers much more often. I personally chose the Bosch Aerotwin. These are simply pretty much the best windshield wipers available on the market. Various tests show this. I bought them from Tessi-Supply. If you like, you can also get 10% off at Tessi-Supply with the discount code SMART to drive and buy these wipers. I chose the Bosch Aerotwin because on the one hand they are pretty much the best on the market, but also because they are absolutely identical in construction to the ones on my Tesla. At Tessi-Supply you can also get the different sizes depending on which Tesla you drive. Here for the Model Y, one wiper should be 50 centimeters long and the longer one is 65 centimeters long. If you want to look for some yourself on the internet, definitely pay attention to the dimensions. First, I'll show you how to get the wipers to extend so that we can change them easily, and then of course how to actually change them. Let's get started. To get the windshield wipers to extend, we go to the vehicle icon here, then to service, and then to wiper service. That's it, now the wipers will extend on their own. Afterwards, you can of course press here again and they will retract on their own. First, let's unpack the new windshield wipers. It's important that you check that the short piece goes on the right side here and the long part goes on the left side. First, we'll put the wipers aside. And now it's very simple. We see this button here in the middle, we just have to press it in with our finger, and while we're pressing it, we can pull the wiper forward and out. But please be careful, this part is relatively sharp-edged. Don't let it snap against the windshield. Place it down carefully or put a cloth underneath, then you'll be on the safe side. Now we take the new wiper and we have to make sure that the button is at the front. We'll now slide it back into the rail here, position it at the bottom and simply slide it through with the little button first until it engages and clicks. There, that's it. The first windshield wiper is already installed. On this side we do the same thing. Press the button, take the wiper and pull it forward and out and carefully lower it. And then take the new wiper, again with the button facing forward, insert it into the rail from below and simply push it all the way through until it engages and clicks. There, this one has also clicked, it's engaged and we're done. Now we go into our service mode and simply press the button again and the wipers will retract and the process is completely finished. That's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll always be notified when new videos are posted on the channel. The discount code for Tessi-Supply, where you can get perfectly fitting wiper blades for your Tesla, is in the video description below. We'll see you next time if you'd like. Take care. This was Alex. Bye-bye.